Open, here we go.
Open.
Robinhood now open, guys. Looks like it's going to open up at 38 even. So let's see how we trade this thing. Going to get out a little piece. We are long now. It is fading back in a little bit here, guys.
Yeah, already starting to come back in. 37.50 has a bit of an iceberg order there. It's trying to hold up.
Huge
Monster offer here. We got 500,000 shares in that offer. Watch the break.
That monster offer on 38. There's the break.
There we go.
Break to 39. Let's go. Let's cash some out right now. Robinhood 39. Let's keep going. Get some offers out there if we can. Bang, bang, bang. To the upside goes Robinhood, guys. Let's make that money, boys.
Yeah, I mean, you got to have that break at 38. We talked about that level as 500,000 shares. I'm holding on to a quarter just because I already paid for some shorts. For a lot of reasons, I think it's going to find a little bit of a roof here, but through 40 even, I'm going to start covering because if it gets anywhere near 42, I think that could be a turnaround easily.
Yeah, good call there on getting some out. I've been emptying my position out a little bit there. It did open up below 30. I mean, it opened 38, opened a little bit below. We got out of a third of our position. Now it's starting to go up. It got offers layered. Let's see. I didn't get that 40, man. My best fill 39.50.
Yeah, I mean, I got that last out there. That 39.50 was the same thing, Sean. I was all over it as well. I really thought we'd get to that 42. Remember that initial reference at 38 to 42 range? It made a lot of sense to me that if it pushed into that price at 42, that you'd get a bit of a turnaround. A little bit more shallow than that here, guys. 40.25. So big time fail break at the 40. If it gets back below 38 and there isn't a bid there, watch out. But the underwriters could step up. You never know.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm getting my order ready to go in case we do break back down below 38. I don't want to hold this if it's going to go below the IPO price. There it is. Flash out a little bit. We'll hold a very, very small piece. What a successful IPO here for Robinhood today, guys. Good movement, good action, good volume here as we're going. We did take it out a little bit. It's a profitable trade for us. Not as much as it should be because I didn't get any out at that 40 mark. Let's hold a small piece.
I just got a bit of a 38 short there, guys. I'm going to scalp a little bit out here, and then look, I mean, the charts aren't going to tell much, but scalp a little bit out at 37.50 as it heads to the downside. Look, I thought the turn would be higher, but we paid for the shorts. Might as well use them here. I'm going to flash out there, 37.25. Momentum break to the downside. So after a strong open, breaking back above 38, even the shorts work out. Crazy, crazy trading right here to start it out.
Yeah, I'm actually going to try to look here to maybe take 38 long again if it does go. We'll try one more time here, but lots of volume, 17 million shares. Pretty calm so far, to be honest with you. And, that was Robinhood. A good open, and today it opens about 12.25, so that's pretty reasonable. And I think it was very orderly. They priced 38. It came 38. I mean, when's the last time we saw that?
All right, guys, yeah, that was exciting to say the least. We had 38 indication for better part of an hour or more, which is really rare for IPOs. A lot of retail focus on this one. As you said, Sean, price 38 aftermarket yesterday, comes at 38. And here we are, a few minutes in now, and it's still hovering around 38. But overall, I think they did a pretty good job.
Yeah, I mean, outside of it taking a little while to open up, let's be real about it. They open at that 38. That's a good sign. Now, we talked about that issue being at the low end because it was 38 to 42, and, that could be a little bit of resistance. Remember, Robinhood swung into a loss, even with higher revenues, more users. They did swing, projecting a loss into the next quarter, guys. So at the end of the day, the more clients, and they're still losing money, they get that pay for order flow, which brought in over 300 million, and your revenue's 550 million, guys. There's a lot to think about why there'd be sellers into this. Now, admittedly, it wasn't as strong of a long as I thought it'd be at the open because you usually get that push. Maybe I should have hung on to that short, but certainly, Sean, you can say it's orderly because we've only been hanging around here in a $2 or $3 range, but I think there might be some people that are disappointed, and there were some signs that this could be the case.
Yeah, and I mean, I'm pretty happy with it so far. It has dipped down, so dipped down below 37, and we'll just watch it go from here. I do like a break above 38 if that can happen one more time. Remember, the big worry for me is the pay for order flow and where the revenues are coming from. 75% from pay for order flow, so if that ever goes anywhere, could be a problem for them. But for right now, I like it. I'm going to take one more shot if it breaks above 38, and then if we hit 37 again, what was the low there? 36.50. So that's a good little reference spot for us. Congratulations if anybody's long on this name. Doesn't look like there was much money to be made there, but we're able to take some profits on it. Close to flat. I'm going to be up on it, which is nice. But again, we missed that home run at 40, so that was the mistake. But a lot of nice outs there. And then we did hold that 15% or less than, about 10% below 38. So we're able to cash out here. And we're holding a very, very small piece now. And my only next play, Neil, is going to be long through 38. That's Robinhood today. Not bad.
Yeah, it's good to see it actually sticking around this price, guys. We'll have to see what happens over the remainder of today and going forward. But I think it's actually constructive that we're staying around this price. People are going to be talking about it finishes in negative territory, or at least right now it's trading in negative territory. If it does close in negative territory as a bit of a negative, but I don't really think it is, because you have to consider the fact that most IPOs, when they do open, they actually open to trade significantly higher than the IPO price, whereas this was very different, guys. What is to come next for Robinhood? Let's see on Friday, guys. That was the Robinhood IPO. Here's Valeria.
Hey guys, thank you for showing us how you're trading Robinhood IPO. Dear viewers, please subscribe to this channel to see more great videos.